Meaning of deviously.
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 Deviously. The term deviously is used to describe actions that are characterized by deceitfulness or cunningness. When someone acts in a devious manner, they are often attempting to achieve their goals through dishonest or underhanded means. This can include manipulating others, withholding important information, or acting in a way that is contrary to what is expected or agreed upon. The result of such behavior can be negative and damaging, as it can erode trust and lead to conflict or even legal consequences. Therefore, it is generally considered unwise to act deviously in most situations.